Mathematics makes our life orderly and systematic, and it prevents chaos. It helps us to see patterns needed to generalize a broader solution to a problem. It can be used to express, solve, and interpret the puzzle observed in nature. It expounds the power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or special thinking, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. We can develop mental discipline while also improving our understanding of the world through mathematics. Math fosters the use of logic, critical thinking, creativity, abstract or special thinking, problem-solving abilities, and even excellent communication skills.
Mathematics is everywhere, and its importance in the modern world cannot be overstated. It's the foundation of science, technology, and engineering, and it plays a crucial role in shaping our society and advancing our civilization. Without mathematics, we couldn't support businesses, which runs the bloodline of each country. This falls down to one of the crucial role of business, which is balancing the checkbooks. Record keeping is important for transaction.
Problem solving involves logical thinking and creativity to find effective solutions to complex issues. It is a valuable skill sought after by employers across various fields. Reasoning, on the other hand, enables us to draw logical conclusions, make connections, and advance scientific discoveries. Mathematical problem solving and reasoning have real-world applications in addressing societal challenges, ensuring data security, and facilitating financial decision-making. These skills will continue to be essential in shaping a prosperous and innovative future.
Determining class interval. The number of classes for a frequency distribution table varies from 5 to 20, depending primarily on the number of observations in the data set. It is preferred to have more classes as the size of a data set increases. The decision about the number of classes depends on the method used by the researcher.
Measures of central tendency. Any dataset can be characterized by measuring its central tendency. A measure of central tendency, commonly referred to as an average, is a single value that represents a dataset. Its purpose is to locate the center of dataset. This chapter discusses three different measures of central tendency: the mean, the median, and the mode. We will illustrate how to calculate each of these measures for ungrouped and grouped data. Measure of central tendency, both for sample group and population group, is also included in the discussion.
Why is math so important in life? Individual development, being proficient in maths, is directly proportional to advanced cognitive skills. Efficient math teaching and consistent practice can strengthen brain function such as logical reasoning. Maths enhances the critical and analytical thinking of an individual. We solve mathematical questions with deep analysis, collection, differentiation, and combination of data. This process prepares our brain to function logically in the real world.